Hi everyone, this is Abdu with the weekly analysis. As usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As we can see here that the pair is about to reach a strong support level that is 1.1120. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence. So we can go long targeting the level of 1.12, 1.13 during this week, and maybe our first target is going to be 1.12, then the downward trend line that we can see in red here. This is actually what we said, what we mentioned last week in our weekly video. So actually we're not going too much away, because this is going to be the same thing. We would be waiting for the pair to reach this support level, then in case it shows up some bullish evidence, we can go long targeting the level of 1.12, then the downward trend line that we can see in red. Let's move to the GBPUSD on the daily time frame. As we discussed before, that we would be waiting for the pair to reach this area that is located between 1.27 to 1.26. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence, and in case this happens, we can go long targeting the level of 1.32 during this week. This is not going to be our first target, because our first target is going to be 1.28, 1.29, 1.30. Now we just want to find some bullish evidence. So in this case, there should be like a very specific price action. The price should behave in a way that would tell us that there is an upcoming movement that's going to be upward. So this simply means the price goes down to this area, then it shows up some bullish evidence, then we can go long. Otherwise, if this does not happen, actually the price might continue going down to reach at least 1.2550, okay, which is our strong previous support here, low here, which makes a strong support level as well. Okay, so let's move to the gold. Pretty much the same as we discussed last week. It is still traded above a strong support level, that is the uptrend line that we can see here in blue. So what we can do is to wait for some bullish evidence, then we can go long during this week, targeting the level of 13110. This is going to be our very first target. Now we just wanted to see some bullish evidence above the uptrend line on the 4 hours time frame. This is the key level of this week, the continuation of trading above the uptrend line. In case that there is a change in this scenario, this will be updated in our daily report. Let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar. Actually, the pair actually managed to break the strong support level, that is 0.70. We actually had another support level that was the downside of the descending channel, but it is broken as well. So the pair might go up to just retest the broken level, then it continues going down. So we are not going to do nothing this week. We're not going to do anything this week. We just would be waiting for the pair to reach the level of 0.6790. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence. Let me highlight this for you. So I simply mean this area. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence. In case this happens, we can go long targeting the level of 0.70 as our first target. Finally, with the GBPJPY on the daily time frame as well. So look at this chart. What we can see is that there are no bullish candles at all, no bullish evidence, which simply means that the pair might continue going down. So what we can do now is to just try to draw Fibonacci levels from this point, the lowest low, to the highest point here. So most likely that the pair might continue going down to reach the level of 61.8% of the previous swing. So what we can do this week is just to wait for the pair to show up some bullish evidence above this level, then we can go long, targeting the level of 142, 143 during this week, just in case the pair shows up some bullish evidence above the level of 61.8, which is located or maybe could be found around 139.12. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.